this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club app showing an error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is first close the app, launch the app switcher, remove the Sam's Club app, then relaunch it. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds and disable it, as this will refresh your network. Next up, ensure you are not connected to any VPN service. If you are connected to a VPN or proxy server, these can interfere with the app's ability to connect to Sam's Club servers, so completely disable them. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for Sam's Club app. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to General. Go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Sam's Club and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next up, give a first restart to your device. This will refresh the operating system and network services. Next, launch Sam's Club app, sign out of your account and sign back in, as this will refresh your account session and can resolve authentication related issues. Likewise, completely delete Sam's Club app from your device and reinstall it. And also you can check the server outages. Sometimes the problem is caused by temporary maintenance or an outage on Sam's Club server. If the app continues showing an error for multiple users, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.